Last month, I made over $40,000 from just a couple of online side hustles. So if you want to learn exactly how I was able to do this and start one of these profitable side hustles yourself, stick around because I'm going to share everything right in this video. Hi, my name is Kellen and I'm a personal finance expert, and on this channel, my wife Brittany and I talk about how to create more time and money in your life so you can fast track your financial freedom. So the very first side hustle I want to talk about actually made us over $20,000 last month alone, and it's creating and selling digital products. This is a very popular side hustle that we've been doing ourselves for the last 3 to 4 years. The best part about this side hustle is that anyone can do it with no previous experience or education. To break it down, you basically pick a niche that you're familiar with. For us, that would be the personal finance niche. For you, it might be fitness, kitchen, travel, self-improvement. Then you think about the problems an individual has within that niche. For example, in the personal finance space, many people struggle to budget their money or pay off debt. So we created our printables in the back behind me, our budgeting binder, and our debt payoff planner to help solve those problems. If you were in the fitness niche, you could create digital printables on working out, meal plans, dieting, calorie counting. The list goes on and on. Believe it or not, my wife Brittany creates these right within PowerPoint. You can also use software like Canva. It's important to do your market research ahead of time on Etsy or doing a quick Google search to see what others are making and selling on their shops. Once you've created your digital product, you can market and sell them through Etsy, your own Shopify shop, or even Thrivecart. This is really an incredible side hustle because once you put the upfront work together, creating the printables, you can literally make money while you sleep. Talk about some awesome passive income. I'll leave a link in the description below to a free ebook to check out to help you learn everything you need to know to get started. All right, number 2 is blogging, and blogging is a side hustle that I hold near and dear to my heart because it's literally changed our lives. We started our personal finance blog, The Savvy Couple, in July of 2016 and quickly turned it into an incredible side hustle, making a few $100 extra per month that we could put towards our student loan debt. Fast forward a couple years and our blogging side hustle has helped us completely pay off over $40,000 worth of student loan debt, quit our 9-to-5 jobs in law enforcement and teaching, and help us create a life of freedom that we truly are excited to wake up for each and every single day. Blogging has a fairly big learning curve, but once you pick a topic that you are passionate about, it can honestly be one of the most fun and fulfilling side hustles you will ever have. My favorite part of blogging is how passive it can be once you put in the hard work up front. Not to mention, it's almost like having multiple side hustles wrapped up into one. For example, last month, we earned over $6,000 from just display ads, $11,000 from affiliate marketing, which is basically sharing products and services that we use ourselves and love and earning a small commission off of, and over $3,000 from a small sponsorship. Another thing I love about starting a blog as a side hustle is it costs next to nothing to actually get started. I'll share our exclusive discount we negotiated directly with Bluehost below that will allow you to get a free domain name and web hosting for as low as $2.95 per month, so you can get started today. The third side hustle idea I want to talk about is starting a YouTube channel. If you like the idea of blogging but you hate writing, then why not start a YouTube channel? Just like blogging, you can pick a niche that you are passionate about, start making videos, answering people's questions, and solving their problems. The options are endless with the type of channel and content you can create and start making money with. A few examples off the top of my head could be gardening, fitness, yoga, makeup, kitchen appliance reviews, cooking. If you're comfortable in front of the camera, love to educate and entertain others like Chaboy, then starting a YouTube channel is a no-brainer. As a YouTube creator, you can earn money through display ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling your own digital products and courses. Just like blogging, this is a side hustle that's going to take a lot of upfront effort to stay consistent and get over the learning curve, but once you do, the passive income can truly start pouring in. With our small YouTube channel with less than 5,000 subscribers currently, we made over $250 in display ads and around $1,000 in affiliate marketing last month. Seriously, there is so much opportunity on YouTube. Please don't think that you're late to the game. Just get started, learn as you go, and you will thank me a year from now when you're able to quit your 9-to-5 job with your YouTube side hustle. All right, the fourth side hustle is proofreading. This is definitely not a good side hustle for myself since I have dyslexia and I read slower than our 3-year-old daughter. But if you love to read and have a keen eye for spotting spelling and grammatical errors, this can be an extremely profitable side hustle for you. Think blog posts, marketing materials, real estate, books, magazines. There are so many publications that need proofreaders and editors to make sure that their content is clean and easy to read as possible. You really don't need any previous experience or education, which makes this flexible side hustle just about perfect for anyone. The starting pay is anywhere between $25 to $50 per hour, which makes for a pretty awesome side hustle in my book. So if this side hustle piques your interest, I will leave a link below to a free 76-minute workshop that will give you everything you could possibly need to start your proofreading side hustle. Hey, real quick, if you're finding this video valuable and you're excited about increasing your income this year, do me a quick favor, hit the thumbs up button, share it with a friend. It really helps out our channel and I greatly appreciate it. All right, the fifth side hustle on my list is freelance writing. It's one of the easiest side hustles to start, especially if you're a good writer. And honestly, with tools like Surfer SEO or Jasper, you don't even need to be the best writer around. I personally know multiple freelance writers that make over 6 figures a year working part-time. Think about that for a second. There are millions of blogs, publications, and online sites that need content written every single day. We even have a couple of freelance writers right on our team that almost exclusively write all of our content for our blog, The Savvy Couple. You can expect to get paid anywhere from 5 cents up to 50 cents per word, depending on your experience and expertise. Or you can go the other route and get paid per hour, anywhere from $15 to $50 an hour. Finding clients is actually pretty easy. You can use sites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or my favorite is just networking in Facebook groups. With just a handful of clients, you can easily turn this side hustle into a $1,000 to $2,000 cash flowing, money-making machine. The more you know about creating content that is search engine optimized, SEO friendly, the more you will get paid. So I highly recommend taking a course like Stupid Simple SEO and using tools like Surfer SEO and Jasper. All the links, like I said, will be in the description on anything I talk about today. I think now is the perfect time to quickly talk about today's video sponsor, Steady. Steady is an incredible side hustle app that helps you earn extra income on your own terms when you need it most. You can browse thousands of jobs and gig opportunities near you, view employer paycheck insights, earn extra cash with income boosters, and link your bank account to track your monthly income. If you are trying to increase your income this year, using an app like Steady is an absolute no-brainer. You can check it out with the link in the description below. Thank you, Steady, for sponsoring this video. All right, number 6 is going to be bookkeeping. If you enjoy working with numbers and spreadsheets, look no further because an online bookkeeper is going to be a perfect side hustle for you. With starting pay around $30 an hour, this is a flexible side hustle that you might just fall in love with. All small business owners need to keep track of their money going in and out of their business, and from what I've heard, not all business owners enjoy doing this or are even good at it. That's where you could come in as an online bookkeeper. Your job would be to help assist small business owners to help organize their finances and keep them up to date. We have an entire video dedicated to talking about bookkeeper jobs and how to get started that I will link to in the top of this video. You can also sign up for a free bookkeeper launch workshop in the description below that's going to help you start this profitable side hustle. All right, last but not least, number 7 is starting a Facebook side hustle. If you are a savvy online marketer and love social media, then this unique and highly profitable side hustle should be exciting for you. Just like the bookkeeping side hustle I just mentioned, small business owners also need help with marketing their business, getting more clients and customers into their store. A great way to help do this is by running local targeted Facebook ads promoting these small businesses. Owners love this because for a small monthly fee, they can double or even triple their monthly business. This is the type of service that's been around for years and will continue to grow each and every year. You can typically charge between $1,000 to $2,000 per month to run these Facebook ads for local small businesses. So with just a couple clients, again, you can turn this into an awesome, incredible side hustle. And the best part is you can do it in your spare time. All right, don't forget to check out all the links in the description to start one of these profitable side hustles this week. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed so you never miss another one of our videos to help you fast track your financial freedom and create a life you love. See ya!